Why does your scanner show the P2081 engine code? What does it mean? P2081 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, intermittent bank, 1 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the issue with the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit for bank 1, sensor 1. This means the ECM is detecting an inconsistent or erratic voltage signal from the sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGT sensor, wiring issues, ECME problems, exhaust leaks, water intrusion. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.